In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and center a button on your Webflow canvas efficiently. Whether you're new to Webflow or just looking to refine your skills, this guide will provide you with clear, step-by-step instructions on how to ensure your button is looking neat and centered, just perfect for your design vision. First, make sure you have Webflow open. Once you're there, locate the Add Elements option in the toolbar. This is where you'll find all the essential components you can use in your design. Click on this option to begin. Next, you'll want to find the button element. Once you've located it, click and hold onto the button, then drag it over to your canvas. Drop it wherever you'd like it to appear. Now, at this point, you may notice that your button doesn't quite appear centered on the canvas. Don't worry, this is a common situation, but easily fixable. With the button placed on the canvas, go ahead and click on Add Elements once more. This time, we'll be adding a container, a very handy feature that will help us align the button correctly. Find the container element, click on it, and drag it onto the canvas. You can think of a container as a sort of flexible box that helps in organizing and structuring elements. Now that your container is in place, we need to move the button inside it. Click and drag your button into this container. This action nests the button inside the container, allowing us to take advantage of the container's centering features for layout purposes. To center the button within the container, look over to the right side of your screen where you'll find the design settings. Within this panel, under the typography section, you'll notice an option next to a line. By clicking Center, your button will immediately adjust to sit perfectly in the middle of the container. This slight adjustment makes a significant difference in ensuring a clean and professional look for your web design project. After you've perfected the placement of your button and you're satisfied with how everything looks, it's time to publish. Click on the Publish button to save and display your changes live. This step is crucial as it allows you to see your adjustments in action, ensuring the button not only looks great on the canvas, but also maintains its appearance on the live site. And there you have it, a perfectly centered button in Webflow that you can utilize in your web design projects. Thank you for following along with today's tutorial. Don't forget to experiment with different styles and alignments as you grow more comfortable with Webflow's powerful tools.